Remove rust from cast iron cookware. Cast iron is great for cooking your meals. However, you should know how to take care of our cast iron cookware since rust can develop on the surface and ruin your cookware. Removing the rust from the cast iron cookware is not that simple, but it can be done. You can follow these simple instructions to restore your cast iron cookware to its original state. Use oven cleaner. Gather all the cast iron cookware that you have. Prepare plastic bags and an oven cleaner. Spray some oven cleaner on the cookware. Concentrate on the parts where the rust has developed. Afterwards, place the rusted cookware in a plastic bag and leave it in there for a few days. This gives the oven cleaner time to work on the rust so that it will be easier for you to remove later on. Scrub the cast iron. After a few days in the plastic bag, remove the cast iron cookware and use a scrub to brush off the rust off the cookware. The rust should come right off. If there is still rust on the cookware, just spray more oven cleaner on the rusty areas and repeat the process until you get all the rust out. Cleaning in bulk. If you are cleaning in bulk, it might be better to use a lye solution. When doing this, make sure you wear protective goggles and work gloves. Purchase a can of lye. Mix 18 ounces of lye with 1–1/2 gallons of water. Place the solution in a big container and place the rusty cookware inside. Make sure that all the items are completely submerged in the solution. Leave the items in the solution for about 5 days. Afterwards, you can easily scrub off the rusty parts. This is not advisable to do if your cookware has some wooden handles and parts. Reseason the cookware. The next step is to reseason the cast iron cookware. Coat the inside of your cast iron cookware with coconut oil. Make sure that you cover the bottom and the sides of your cookware. Place it on your stove and turn it on low heat. Allow the coconut oil to be absorbed by the cast iron. You do not need to wash the cast iron cookware after you reseason it. Just wipe off the excess oil from the cookware. Storage of the cast iron cookware. To prevent the rust from returning, you have to store your cast iron cookware in a cool and dry place. You can ball up some newspapers and place them inside the cookware so that it can absorb any moisture that develops. Just make sure to wash the cookware well before you use it. These are the tips that you can follow to remove rust from your cast iron cookware. Make sure that you provide space in between your cookware when storing them. It is also not advisable to stack up the cookware on top of each other since this can cause moisture, which will form rust.